a scribe by trade, to write the love of God above, would dream